This LG Xboom speaker is pretty great. Its audio performance is very solid. It's a strong audio performance, it has a very nice deep bass and it keeps this bass even on louder volume. There are only two things I don't like that much about this speaker. It's the charger, so it uses a big separate charger, not USB Type-C. And the other thing I also don't like that much is that the lights on her sides don't have a lot of options on settings. So it is just like colors or like yellow color, but you don't have like any fading effect or like separate LED effects. It's really one solid LED effect on the sides. So this does make the speaker a bit less great maybe on the RGB light situation, because a lot of cheaper speakers do make the party kind of experience greater with light shows. So without further ado, here are the audio samples. Enjoy them.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. your grace and love and light, fire and flame for a long time. With that spark, you ignite my heart. You ignite my heart. You ignite my heart. You ignite my heart. The years fly by. Are you told away even about your gut? Are you told away even about your gut? Are you told away even about your gut?